today. Today's October 28th, and yes, I'm sitting on the floor because I don't know. There, let's fix this a bit. Okay, I am waiting for my friends to pick me up because the plan today, actually there is really no plan today because we just got home from Bacolod, which was around 11 a.m. That wasn't the plan. We were supposed to leave earlier, like around 6, but we all woke up a bit late. And so we didn't really plan on anything for today, but we decided to uh, head back to our respective places where we'd stay at, and then meet up to buy stuff for us to bring home, so like whether it's food or whatever, souvenirs and stuff like that. So I don't know where we're going, but we're probably gonna go to like a shop where all of the delicacies are. And so yeah, so as I was saying, that's just our only objective for today. I'm really not sure what else are we gonna do. Probably eat dinner somewhere, hopefully. Didn't really do much today, like, but it's been an exhausting trip because the whole time it's kind of like a series of road trips. Every single day we are traveling to see different architectures, different structures, like whether it's new or modern. So even if you're just taking photos and like just being in the car and like walking around, it gets really, really tiring. So I think today was much needed that we just rested, but we still have a day and a half, which is Monday, which is tomorrow, and Tuesday. But Tuesday we go home before.